Hi there and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to bring your attention to Fabrinet. This is ticker FN. Now, while tech has kind of been out of favor over the last couple of weeks, Fabrinet never really broke under its 21-day exponential period moving average. That's this gray line here on the chart. You can see how it gapped up, likely because of earnings, held that gap, and has since just kind of been consolidating and chopping around the 8 and 21-day moving averages here. Today, we had a pretty decisive breakout, and it came on higher than average volume. Now, the reason I think this is significant is because this is hitting all-time highs when the rest of the market isn't. And so we're definitely seeing some relative strength here in Fabrinet. And I think that we want to pay attention to stocks that have high relative strength when the rest of the market is weak. And then the concept is when the rest of the market turns around, those strong stocks get even stronger. So that's what I'm looking for here with Fabrinet, ticker FN. I do believe the stock is a bit extended above its 8-day exponential period moving average, but you could look for a potential momentum trade above that 169.60 level or a potential pullback to the 8 and 21-day exponential period moving averages as potential low-risk buy points with stops right under those moving averages. So just one of many stocks that we're looking at right now at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see what else we're doing, be sure and click that link. Take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.